tutorial, I want to share with you how to export your Procreate Dreams animation as a smaller video. So over here, I am inside a movie. I want to tap on the name of my movie to go into settings. And then you want to tap on share. And then you want to tap on custom settings. Under custom settings, you will be able to rescale. So tap on the document size. From there, you can choose different predefined sizes, or you can tap on the custom and to define your new custom size. So once you're done, let's say I want this project to be only 500 pixels by width. And once you're done, just tap outside and then export. Ta-da! That's how you can export your Procreate Dreams files as a smaller video. I will see you in the next video.